Now that we got all those ferns out of our way, we can comfortably work on this nightmare of a situation. This spaghetti ball was discovered when I was troubleshooting a couple of the controllers on this property, and I was tracking some wires, and it led me to this location. Once I pulled the bushes away, I was shocked. This is probably where all of my problems exist. You can see that there's a doubler right there in front of me, actually in front of the valve box there, laying on the ground. It's that little black cylinder that just went under the wires. That device is used to control multiple valves on a single good wire. Clearly, you could see there's plenty of extra wires in here, so we're going to be getting rid of that doubler at some point once I start troubleshooting some of the other issues on this property. I wasn't able to do that before because it's almost impossible to figure things out in this rat's nest that we had here. You'll notice that the wires are a little long here. That's actually common practice on a new install, to pull the wires up to your hip before pushing them into the box. Unfortunately, in this case, there is way too many wires in this box to be doing something like that, so I do have to trim them back just a little bit. That's why I'm placing them under my right foot there, so that I can make sure that I'm not cutting too much wire off, and I'm still leaving myself plenty of wire to work with in the future. As we get down to the end of cleaning up these wires, I'd like to talk about the wire connectors I'm using. These are dielectric wire nuts. They have grease inside of them. They're pre-filled. They come like this. These wire nuts are meant to be installed in a valve box like you see there. They are waterproof, so water can enter that valve box and it will not interfere with the electricity traveling through the wires. Once in a while, you'll see me use DBRYs. They look like a little blue tube with a wire nut that goes inside of it, and it's filled with gel too. Those can be directly buried into the ground, unlike these. Don't forget to follow Sprinkler Dude for more.